Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video for you, from me. Today let me introduce you the Remos household scissors, item number 7060P. It is available in different lengths. I choose the 20 centimeter length. You can also buy it with 10 centimeters or 15 centimeters. Oh yeah, there are variations of that item, so you have to select first. But if you are a strong guy like me, choose the 20 centimeters. The household scissors is 10, 15 or 20 centimeters long. It helps you in the household. The Remos household scissors are the ideal everyday helpers in every household out there. And of course, at your work there is areas too. You have a best quality device here. The particle scissors have a silver matte surface and are made of hardened stainless steel, which making them sturdy and durable. It is really sharp. The cutting edges of the household scissors are precisely and sharply ground for an excellent cutting experience. Yeah, this is the household scissors silver matte finish, hardened edge for a precision cutting. And it's really awesome. It works really like you cutting butter. Oh, this is nice and easy to use. The only thing you have to do is cut something and take care of your fingers, of course. Because if you cut some fingers, it's not so healthy with this scissors here. Really nice. So, it's really nice. Really nice. What is a scissor? Scissors are hand-operated shearing tools. A pair of scissors consists of a pair of metal blades pivoted so that the sharpened edges slide against each other when the handles or the bows opposite to the pivot are closed. Scissors are used for cutting very thin materials such as paper, cardboard, metal foil cloth, rope and wires. These scissors I'm going to use with paper, cardboard, metal foil of course, a little bit cloth is okay, but ropes, only the little things okay, and wires the little things too. A large variety of scissors and shears are accessed for specialized purposes, and this is for the household. It's you can cut hair with it, of course, but it's not the main function of it. It is really for all day use at your household, and it's really easy to use. Only grab it and use it. It's so easy. Really nice. So I like it really much. You see, it cuts easily like butter. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.